नमस्कार दोस्तों, हम अपने आज की इस वीडियो में कंक्रीट की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस देखेंगे, जिसमें हम इसके बैचिंग, मिक्सिंग, ट्रांसपोर्टिंग, प्लेशिंग, कॉम्पैक्टिंग, क्यूरिंग और फिनिशिंग इन सब टॉपिक पर डिस्कस करेंगे और कुछ डायग्राम भी बनाना सीखेंगे। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। अगर आप भी कंक्रीट के मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस पर असाइनमेंट लिख रहे हैं तो मेरा यह वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल साबित हो सकता है। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं आप सबको यह वीडियो पसंद आएगी। धन्यवाद।
Hello students, this is our manufacturing process of concrete. The concrete is the homogeneous mixture of cement, fine aggregate, sand, coarse aggregates, crushed stone jelly and water, which consolidates into a hard solid due to the chemical action between the cement and water. Steps in the manufacture of concrete. Here are different steps in manufacturing process of concrete. First batching, then mixing, then transporting, after then placing, after then compacting, after then curing, next finishing. First we discuss here batching. The measurement of materials such as cement, sand, aggregate and water for making concrete is known as batching. Methods of batching. Volume batching. In this, the measurement of concrete material are taken by volume. A gauge box is made with wooden plates, its volume being equal to that of one bag of cement, volume equal to 35 liter. The required amount of sand and coarse aggregate is added by measuring. Onto the gauge box, the quantity of water required for making concrete is found after deciding water-cement ratio. It is not ideal method of batching. Wet sand has higher volume for the same weight of dry sand. It is called bulking of sand. Hence, it upsets the calculated volume required. After volume batching, here we discuss weight batching. In this, the measurement of concrete material are taken by weight. It is the recommended method of batching. The field to pick up correct proportion of sand and coarse aggregates. Large weigh batching plants have automatic weighing equipments. After batching, next process is mixing. Here we discuss about mixing. To produce uniform and good concrete, it is necessary to mix cement, sand and coarse aggregate. First in dry condition and then in wet condition. After adding water, it ensures that concrete becomes homogeneous, uniform in color and consistency. Here two types of mixing. Hand mixing. It is done by spreading out the measured quantity of coarse aggregate and fine aggregate in alternate layers. Cement is poured on it and mixed by shovel, turning the mixture over and over again until uniformity of color is achieved. This method of mixing is not very good because for small works it is commonly adopted. Next, machine mixing. For reinforced concrete work and medium or large scale mass concrete work, mixing of concrete should be done in machine. It is efficient and also economical. When the quality of concrete to be produced in large based on discharge method. These are of two types: tilting mixture, non-tilting mixture. Here we made diagram of machine mixture.
In this diagram, here different part: supporting frame, water tank, mixing drum, turning handle, driving pulley.
Here we made diagram of filling the mixture, mixing, discharging the mixture. After mixing, we need transporting of concrete. Here we discuss transporting of concrete. Once the ingredients are mixed thoroughly, it should be transported to the place of deposition at the earliest without the loss of homogeneity obtained at the time of mixing. Various method of transporting: mortar pen, bucket and ropeway, belt conveyor, skip and hoist, wheelbarrow, truck mixer and dumper, chute, pump and pipeline. After transporting, we need placing of concrete. A concrete must be placed in a systematic manner to yield optimum results. Precaution to be taken before placing concrete: the formwork or the surface which is to receive the fresh concrete should be properly cleaned, prepared and well watered. It is desirable to deposit concrete as near as participate to its final position. The large quantities of concrete should not be deposited at a time, otherwise the concrete will start to flow along the formwork and consequently the resulting concrete will not have uniform composition. The concrete should be dropped vertically from a reasonable height. Sufficient care should be taken such that segregation does not take place during transportation and placement. After placing, we need compacting. After the concrete is placed in the desired location, it should be sufficiently compacted. Compaction consolidates fresh concrete within the molds or frameworks and around embedded parts and reinforcement steel. The density, strength and durability of concrete largely depends upon the degree of compaction. Compaction can be carried out either by hand or with the help of vibrators. Hand compaction, rodding, ramming, tamping. Next, compaction by vibration. Internal vibrator, formwork vibrator, table vibrator. In table vibrator, we have also two: platform vibrator, vibratory by roller. After compaction, we need curing. It is the process in which the concrete keeps its moisture for certain time period to complete hydration process. Curing should be done properly to increase the strength of concrete. To prevent the concrete to dry out prematurely due to solar radiation and wind, this prevents plastic shrinkage of concrete. It helps to maintain the concrete temperature by allowing the hydration process. Hydration process requires water to carry on and releases heat. It helps the concrete to harden and bond with internal materials and reinforcement. This helps to prevent damage to bond between concrete and reinforcement due to vibration and impact. After curing, we need finishing. Finishing is not for all concrete operation. For beam concreting, finishing is not applicable. For concrete, road pavement or for flooring of a domestic building, careful finishing is of great importance. Here we completed manufacturing process of concrete. Thank you. दोस्तों, आप सबको यह वीडियो कैसी लगी आप हमें कमेंट्स करके ज़रूर बताइएगा। धन्यवाद। जय श्री कृष्ण।